Recruiting Sales Personnel, Chapter 5, Part 2. Determining the type of people wanted. The tasks associated with determining the type of people wanted are as follows. Job analysis, the actual task of determining what constitutes a given job. Job description, the document that sets forth the findings of the job analysis. Job specification, the specific personal qualifications, characteristics, and experience applicants must have for the given job. Job analysis, the job analysis may be conducted by the sales organization or the human resource department. The recruiter spends some time traveling with salespersons in positions equivalent to the position being studied as they make their calls. The recruiter should interview and interact with people who in some way interact with the sales personnel. The recruiter should discuss with the sales personnel themselves, customers, and sales managers to get a thorough understanding of the job. After completing the job analysis, a detailed job description needs to be prepared. It should contain the following heads of information: title of the job and organizational relationship. It should spell out who does the salesperson report to, who else is involved in guiding the activities of the salesperson, what are the line and staff relationships at the higher level and at the peer level. Types of products and services sold, types of customers called on. This includes people whom the person is likely to meet, such as purchasing agents, engineers, and plant managers. The job description should spell out job demands, the mental and physical demands of the job, including amount of travel, autonomy, and stress. It should spell out the nature of selling, whether the selling is product selling, solution selling, machinery selling, consultative selling, or order taking. Hiring specification, the job qualification that is most likely to meet the requirement of the position may be spelled out. Uses of job description. The job description is used by recruiters to understand the nature of the position, to decide training programs, and to decide the compensation plan. The job specification spells out what kind of individual would be best suited for the job, what qualifications are really essential, the characteristics such as age, physical appearance, gender, and education commonly used to predict success may not be sufficient. Job knowledge, skills, attitude, motivation, background, track record of work are also relevant. The following criteria may be also considered: mental capacity, that is planning and problem solving ability, physical characteristics, appearance, neatness, experience, sales and other business experience, education including number of years, degrees, majors, etc. Personality traits such as persuasiveness, adaptiveness, skills such as communication, interpersonal ability, technological skills, and other job-specific skills. Socio-environmental factors such as interests, activities, memberships of organizations may also be considered. Research indicates that buyers like to see certain traits in salespersons. The top 10 salesperson traits are Knowledge. Knowledge of the product being offered and how it can be useful for the customer. Organization. How well organized the salesperson is in dealing with the customer. Follow through. How well information and clarifications requested are provided. Punctuality. Whether the salesperson meets appointments on time. Energy. The energy, enthusiasm and interest with which dealings are conducted. Empathy. How well the salesperson understands the customer's requirements. Promptness. How promptly the salesperson responds to queries and other requests from the customer. Problem solver. Whether customers' problems are resolved satisfactorily. Willingness to work hard. Whether the salesperson is willing to put in the necessary effort. Honesty. Maintaining the highest level of integrity in dealing with all aspects of the transaction. Recruiting for the team. Customers are demanding more value-added services and more follow-up after the sale than one person can provide. Teaming is essential. Character traits such as independence, self-sufficiency, and a need to control are a handicap. Companies now seek salespeople who are very adaptable with a willingness to share and put the group's goal above their own. The sales world has changed from a I orientation to a we orientation.